Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are finishing up our chakra series with our Crown Chakra. This chakra is the color purple and it is found on the top of our head. Just as our root chakra grounds us with the Mother Earth, our crown chakra is what lets in that universal energy that flows into the rest of our chakras. So it's pretty important it stays in balance. And to do that, we're going to be making a delicious juice filled with apples and some purple cabbage and so much more. So let's get started. Also, I want to give a very big thank you to Elise Marie Collins because all of the recipes from this series are from her book of Chakra Tonics. And there's so many more recipes that I didn't even try yet and I can't wait to try. And I really recommend this book because it has a lot of great recipes. So let's get started. Today I have 2 to 3 apples, but my apples are pretty big, so I'm only starting off with 2. And you're gonna wanna use a sweeter style of apple because this is what's gonna add the sweetness to this juice. So let's get juicing. I'm going to go through the rest of the ingredients now because you will not be able to hear me over the juicer. So today I have 1/8 of a cabbage, and this is a purple cabbage to give our purple color. And then they are all out of season right now of daikon radishes, so I am just using normal radishes. And I have 3 little baby radishes with me today. And I also have a golden beet, just 1 beet, and I cut off the end as well as the top of it. And the last ingredient I have is about a 1-inch piece of ginger, which I've just peeled. So let's juice it all together. And here we have our beautiful finished crown chakra juice, and I can't wait to try it. It's so delicious. That sweetness of the apples really comes through, as well as I've never actually juiced radish before, and I can taste it a little bit, and it's surprisingly good, I have to say. This is actually a delicious juice. So I really recommend it. And also, if you like this chakra series, please don't forget to share it with a friend and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!